soup for your kleren.
So nice.
Good morning, Annie.
Good morning. I'm making coffee for us.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, mga guwaps.
Good morning.
Nawong ko. Mag-pancake si ba na mga guwaps?
Zeg wel een bakje met spaghetti met de pancakes.
Yeah? Maybe ook een pannenkoek gegeten? Bakje?
Nee, druiven.
Oh, jij zegt pancakes.
Nee, een bakje met druiven. Zeg ik pancakes?
Ja.
Sorry.
I eat pancakes at school because we were baking.
Yeah, they made pancake at school. It's like they call it dublukan. Tapos gumawa sila Chloe. Dubluka.
And then you can choose what you can do. You can do sports,
Cooking. And etc.
Huh?
Etc.
But I chose for baking, for cooking.
And she made a pancake and
Yeah, dessert.
yeah,
Yeah.
also dessert.
And it was very yummy. And I was full.
Can you make the dessert for us, for Mama and Papa?
Mama, yum, 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 yum. Daddy, yum, a black part.
Doe maar een beetje. Mama, kijk. Juist gemaakt.
Wow! Wow! Nice!
Landed on the same side. It was double.
Yeah, you did not flip it. Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Come on, come on. So let's eat pancake with banana. Kay Chloe, ano? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And then, we will put the banana on top.
Cherry yum.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan.
Tapos, i-roll natin.
Tapos i-roll natin.
Tapos, magbudbud tayo ng powder na sugar.
Powder na sugar.
Sugar powder.
Sugar powder.
And let's eat!
Eet smakelijk!
It's smakelijk. Dankjewel voor de pancake, Annie.
Eten smakelijk. Wij eten smakelijk. Wij eten poeder nodig. Poedersuiker.
hebben
Dus,
te veel energie.
Oh my god. Hier, alleen bij één spot. En ik heb chocolate milk. Hello guys, we will make cupcakes. 2 eggs, cup of water, cup of oil.
and this is what?
We're gonna make.
Ayan.
But we don't have this.
The Romcas, we don't have it, so we don't put Romcas. Okay, what's inside here is
Okay. The baking mixture
and the
creme powder.
we will mix all the ingredients. Okay, first is the
We will first do this. This looks like chocolate milk powder. Okay. Yeah.
Wow. We will mix first the cream mix with Romcas. We don't have much, so konti lang yung gagamitin namin dito. We will not use all of this. Let's see if it's looked, if it's successful. Cream mix. That is okay.
Ja, dat is zoet.
Is dat alles?
Nee,
Nee, dat is een klein beetje.
ik heb nog net alles.
Oh, oké.
Oh, dit is hard. Het is een beetje, ja, alsof het een beetje jelly, een harde jelly is.
Ja. Wauw. Lekker, hè?
Doen jullie dat op school? Ja? Okay, next snack.
Ja? Pas op voor jouw kleren, hè?
It's so nice.
What the?
I can't wait till it's gebakken. It's baked, so I'm ready.
Oh my god. Your face, honey.
Jouw
What?
gezicht.
What's wrong?
Je bent echt zo van...
Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. What the?
Papa. Hello. Hello. Okay, look at my new lips.
So, ayan na mga
Kijk hoe
gops.
ze zijn geworden.
We will put that now in the oven.
You don't have to go.
We will bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Let's see. So, we hope that it is successful. The muffins. Sana successful yung muffins namin. So mga guaps, we forgot it. We forgot the muffins. So let's check it. We will check the muffins. Ayan oh. Wait, we will check first. Nadikit pa yung ano, puti. Ay, no, not yet. Okay. Not yet ready.
Misschien moet ik iets.
Your face. May chocolate. Meron din pala ako. Ang lamig dito mga gops. Inopen pala niya yung bintana. No. Naglaba kasi si Bana kanina sa mga towels. Ay, bakit nagkaipon-ipon man tong mga puti at saka may kulay? Pinagsama-sama lang niya. Kalukan ng tawhana. Okay lang na pinagsama niya kasi yung mga damit lang naman niya yun. Yung pang, panloob na damit. Yung hemp. Chloe, what will you have for dinner? We have frikandel, we have croquette, kip nuggets, we have
Ik wil ook kipnuggets.
croquette and kip nuggets.
Ja.
My God. She's so expensive. My goodness. Croquette and...
Dit is kipnugget.
Wait, that's not kip nuggets. I want frikandel.
Frikandel, okay.
Your frikandel, honey. Disgusting man.
That's too big.
So, ayan, itong croquette.
Twee alleen? Chloe, kroket en kipnuggets.
Yeah, sure. So, this is the muffins. Oh my God, this is now hard.
Het is mislukt. Het was daar te lang.
It was too long. Oh my. Pero,
Het moest iets meer doen.
that's veel hoor. Dat is niet over te weinig of niet. Het is about... It's too long in the...
Ja.
Maar, this is
Dat is
ook
misschien niet goed.
misschien niet goed, ja. But I don't like it. Kijk, the inside, oh. Eric doesn't like it. He said it's no taste, but for me it's okay. But not the white. It's makkelijk.
Het is makkelijk.
So, nasa bed na si Chloe mga guwaps. And ngayon, manood na lang kami ng movie ni Bana. Tapos, mag-edit muna ako sa vlog namin kahapon. So, yun lang mga guwaps. Yung vlog namin today, iwan ko kung ano yung mga na-film namin. Pero, that's our a day in the life. So, salamat sa inyong panonood. See you next time.